My name is Dr. Shamsulang. I am professor in the Department of Medicine, Isra University. I would like to talk to you about critical care introduction. Introduction regarding the gadgets or devices. So we see. So what are the learning objectives? You should identify the equipment or device or gadget, and there are some uses of the equipment. If you know this is enough for this lecture. What is this? First, this is the ET tube, endotracheal tube. This is used for the emergency of airway, like severe asthmatic attack, COPD, or any patient who has a risk of respiratory failure. Then this is used, and general anesthesia as well. This is a laryngoscope. Without that, this endotracheal tube you cannot pass. With the help of the laryngoscope, you can introduce the ET tube into the trachea. So this is different sizes from infant, small baby to adult. Okay, this is the after the intubation, you have to put the patient on mechanical ventilator or respirator. So this is the ventilator machine. This is used for emergency like the respiratory failure type 1 or type 2, sometimes with the BiPAP, CPAP. This is simple opening of the airway by putting the oropharyngeal tube. So just you open the mouth and insert the oropharyngeal tube directly, and then you twist around 90 degree or 180 degree down. This is the patient received in emergency. See the team, the senior doctor, the nurses, staff nurse and technicians are available. The patient's already intubated and patients on oxygen. So they are monitoring the patient in emergency and checking what happened to this patient. This is a patient who received and are already treated. Patient look conscious and patients on oxygen. And there's a doctor and a staff nurse. They are fixing the electrode and watching at the monitor. This is a cardiac monitor or ECG monitor. This is another device. This is called the nebulizer. With the help of this, you can give the drugs like bronchodilators, steroids through this one. You can treat the patients like a severe asthmatic attack. The small baby is looking very happy with the oxygen, not oxygen delivery, but this is a simple nebulization through the nebulizer machine. This is inhaler. This is a simple technique, and you have to open the cap and then shake well and then give the puff to the patient, or you can help them if they are can't understand. Then we have another device. If they can't understand the technique, this is a simple spacer device at the place of the inhaler. In this, no technique is used. Just you insert from other end, bottom. This inside is a small inhaler. You fix it and you remove the cap and you can inhale the drug. So this is very simple. This is another device, the same spacer. With the fixed already, the inhaler is fixed, and you open the mouthpiece and you take a nice big breath in, and this will deliver the drug. This is a portable X-ray machine. This is used in emergency. There's another which is departmental. In X-ray department, you see this machine. There's a difference between these two. This machine is very close to the chest, and this one is at the distance of the 6 feet or 1 meter at least. This is used in very ideal situations, comfortable OPD patients, and not in emergency X-ray department. This is CT scanner. Is also used to add the diagnosis facilities, like patients who have some malignancy or some lesions which are not visible or identified with the X-ray, then it can be identified with the help of the CT scanner. This is MRI scanner. It's not much used in chest, but can be used in other places like brain, like heart. This is a lumbar puncture needles. You just identify what is this one. It's not IV needle. This is a lumbar puncture needle. And you see the different sizes for the different ages. Where it's a small infant to extreme. The bore will depend upon the small size. The white bore will be small number. Like 14, 16, 18 will be white bore. And like 22, 24 will be small bore. So the small bores are used in small subjects or thin people, and white bore adults. White bore has some complications like leakage of the CSF leading to headache. So that should be avoided. This is a technique, how to introduce the lumbar puncture needle. You ask the patient to lie down on the bed couch and you flex the patient knee and chest close, and then you insert the LP needle in the lumbar spine L4, L5. So you put the finger over the iliac crest and run down, and you see the space, and you easily localize, give the local anesthesia, lignocaine or xylocaine. Then you insert the LP needle with the aseptic Mayers. This is a defibrillator machine or DC shock machine. I already talked about you, or we will discuss this in separate CPR class. This is the cardiac monitor or ECG monitor. This is used in emergency situation like emergency ER, ICU, CCU, HDU. This ultrasound of abdomen. You can identify the structure, liver, spleen, kidney, ascites, or some pericardial effusion sometimes. This is a EGD, esophagogastroduodenoscopy, upper GI endoscopy. Look into the esophagus, stomach, duodenum, proximal distal. It's not to go up to the jejunum. So this is upper GI endoscopy. Then bottom is called lower GI endoscopy, sigmoidoscopy, colonoscopy. Okay, this is the dialysis machine. She is very happy looking and watching the television. And sometimes they can read the newspapers. They have sessions, two sessions in a week, and they feel better after the dialysis. This is their life. This is the indicated when there are some indication for dialysis. So there are some forms of the replacement therapy of the kidney failure. One is the arrangement for the kidney transplant or renal transplant. Other is the dialysis, hemodialysis, peritoneal dialysis. So this is the hemodialysis. Thank you very much. If you have some questions, I can answer you. I will upload you this text, and you will see later on.
बाद में ठंडा कर देता, वो बाद में ठंडा कर देता, ठंडा रहता है। अभी तो गर्म ही गर्म हो रहा है, ये खिड़की की वजह से धूप आ रही है सुबह की रोज।
सही।